Here's a quick way to get rid of these crackling marks in a boat windshield. I'm going to take some WD, I'm going to put it here, and watch what happens. It's not a permanent fix, but if you want to use your boat and you can't see out of the cracked windshield, this will work fine. Now watch. See that right there where it says bonus 20? I'm going to spray some here and grab up that and wipe it down. And the longer it sits, the better it's going to work. Got to do both sides though. I'm going to go on this side. Okay. Watch this. Like that. And after it sits a couple of hours, it won't be perfect, but it'll certainly be 100% better than the way it looked before. Here's before, and here's after.